Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn FYI. FYI, which means, that's right, for your information. So, let's find out how to use this in our class today. Alright, but first, as always, let's begin with a quick review of last week's lesson. Okay, everyone, so imagine I ask you, how's the research going? But it is very difficult because there's a lot of scientific research and it's really hard to understand. So, how do you say that using the expression from last week? I'll give you 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, go! Alright, and time is up. If you said, it's tough, I can't wrap my head around this scientific writing, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, everyone, let's move on to FYI. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, so my good friend and colleague Taro, he wants to tell me something. Okay, he says, please know we will not have our staff meeting this week. Please know. Okay? And I say, got it. Thanks for letting me know. All right. So this is pretty easy to understand. Please know. But you might hear a native English speaker say, FYI, we will not have our staff meeting this week. Okay? And I say, got it. Thanks for letting me know. So, whenever you want to tell someone some new information, all right, you can say FYI. But this is mostly used for some kind of announcement. So for example, FYI, our barbecue this weekend is canceled because of the typhoon. Or FYI, it's a long weekend this weekend. Or FYI, we'll all be getting our bonuses this year. All right? So it's kind of for more announcements, okay? FYI, which is short for your information. Okay? All right, so please remember this for next time. Okay, so let's practice, everyone. So please repeat after me. FYI, we will not have our staff meeting this week. Your turn. Okay, excellent, great. So please remember this for our review next time. Okay, everyone, so our bonus question this week is another way to say I agree, okay? So if someone expresses or says their opinion and you want to say I agree, how do you say that using a better expression? Okay, we covered this in one of our previous Bizmates for Beginners video lessons, so take a look if you have the time, and I'll give you a hint. Okay, starts with I, and then something to do with the number 2, okay? All right, so please think about it. Okay, everyone, so that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great week, everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.